Welcome to the guidance of All and Whole, a spiritual practice that leads us deeper and deeper into being, to develop our inner senses, refine our soul's craft, and reveal our true essence, our sound, our soul's song. It's been called spiritual poetry, intellectual prose, mystical revelation. Regardless, those who've heard the teachings seem to agree on the impact of the vibration and the resonance of truth that the messages convey. They're mystical teachings with a contemporary feel. It's a journey of self-discovery and refinement, a place of introspection and reflection. For each of us, the journey will be unique, as the compositions shed new light and depth of insight with each experience. The teachings are intended to act as a guide to our own introspection. They're tools that encourage us to go within, shred social, cultural, religious beliefs, transcend ego, persona, identity, to be one with all. And because they challenge us to examine beliefs, they may feel uncomfortable at first. I hope you will find the time to sit with them. Listen as often as you feel called to do so, and when ready, move on to the next one. The initial compositions help set the foundation, so please be patient, as they are true spiritual nourishment, not fast food. There are layers of meaning in each one that seem to reveal themselves at the perfect moment of readiness. It is a body of work that is ever expanding, upward, downward, inward, out. Thank you for opening to these words. All and Whole is organized into 3 books. The first book, All and Whole Consciousness, sets the foundation and is intended to raise the vibration of mind, to transmute the vibration to higher realms. The second book, All and Whole Health and Healing, is intended to raise the vibration of the physical vehicle, to transmute the vibration to higher realms. The third book, All and Whole Alchemy, is intended to raise the vibration of the soul, the spirit bound to matter, to transmute the vibration to higher realms. We begin with All and Whole Consciousness. This first book helps free us from attachments so we can transcend identity. We begin with an understanding that universal consciousness is the vibration through the essence of life. Vibration, sound, everything is a sound. Love, money, war, politics, prosperity, relationships. A sound we can hear or not hear. We originate from the first sound, as in the beginning was the Word. We come to understand joy as that timeless, transcendent state beyond duality. We look at love of self to wholeness, understanding that we are born of both matter and spirit, and that our most beautiful duty is to embellish our community through love, compassion, recognition, and acceptance. We explore concepts related to love, relationships, life, death, heaven, hell, religion, spirituality, time, reincarnation, past lives, emotions, intuition, ego, sexuality, natural instincts. The beauty is that acceptance or rejection of the concepts still leads to expansion as it fosters introspection. Through introspection, we find our truth. Our sound is refined. We're polished, purified, made whole. We go deeper to challenge beliefs, and how we identify with those to define who we are through our roles, our education, our ethnicity, gender, and begin to focus on our soul's craft. We find the courage to love ourselves as the perfection that we are beyond our understanding. There's movement from the external to internal. We begin to understand that we're here to play, that this life experience should be joyful. We're here to learn, dance, fall down at times, and laugh about it as we're presented with the perfect opportunities for our soul's expansion. We're reminded that we have only the grounding of gravity as we're born enlightened beings. We are incarnations of matter, but evolve to spirit realms. When we look into all and whole health and healing, we begin to view this physical vehicle in a new light, with the understanding that for a spiritual evolution, the physical host must be elevated to a better vibration. We look at the importance of nurturing this physical vehicle through proper diet and lifestyle choices, and to nourish the body with the spirit of what we consume, so we can ultimately raise the body matter to be like the galaxy that we will be. We look at the perfection with an understanding that within its natural state, this physical vehicle should never contain disease, as disease should simply flow through us. But if illness is contracted, there's a more comprehensive approach in healing the body, mind, and spirit, and in viewing the illness as a blessing, as it is a natural doorway for the soul's evolution. We just may get caught in the timeline, this lifetime or another. When we step into all and whole alchemy, we realize that it's about purification and unifying the duality within. It's transmuting the vibrant red blood of matter to the gold of spirit. There are aspects of continued shredding and aspects of continued expansion. We reside more and more in our inner world of high vibration, sound, and spirit, and the things of this transitory world seem to take on less significance. This plane flows through us as we begin to master the perception of matter. Here's where we stand stripped of identity, vibrating as a healthy vehicle and dancing with the energies of the universe. Energies, senses, dimensions, mastering the elements, walking the path from the animal man to the spirit man, from gas to matter, and matter to light. So why is this important? When we transcend identity, we get on to the greater works as so promised. We embellish our community. We feed the flame of the lighthouse and reach back to guide the hands of others. We show without touching. We do the work. We transcend ego. We unify the duality within. We stand whole, complete, and step outside of time and space. We consciously raise the vibration of this collective, projected reality. We show up and take responsibility for our vibration. We are the pioneers in the human kingdom, helping to guide humanity to the consciousness kingdom. The day when humanity will look in the mirror and not just see his image reflected in the center, but understand that he is part of his surroundings as well. So All and Whole leads us into the deepest aspects of ourselves to find our truth, to give us wings to expand our notion of reality, to refine our sound, our soul's song, in order to vibrate in harmony with the sacred resonance of the celestial. It is our shared truth. When we vibrate this truth, we show the way for others to radiate their light, the light of their being. We help remove the barriers that separate. It's all about vibration, sound, and expansion. So stay present, breathe, open your heart, transcend your mind, and listen to the whisperings of the universe. It's an inner journey. It's all within you. The unity, to find the wholeness, the allness that is already residing within you, beyond the illusion of separation, beyond the fear, beyond the limitations of this so-called reality. It just takes a little time, dedication, focus, and conviction. We all get there. The journey is all we have. So let's get started with All and Whole consciousness. Please allow me to act as your guide into the all and whole that you are. Let's have your eyes rest and allow your ears to connect directly with your heart. Let's go deep within and help awaken that knowing that already resides within you through these guided words that are orchestrated to play the symphony of expansion.